Hello, you're welcome back to our digital math tutor. In today's math video, we are looking at a question solution on second theorem. When it comes to having some angles subtended at the same arc of a circle, when you have the one at the center and the circumference, how do you treat it? So that's exactly the kind of question you have here, and this is an SSC question. You could see here you are expected to find the value of this angle, which is D. Now you are seeing this angle here is 92. You are seeing this one is this. So what do you do to find this angle? Let's quickly go now. You need to understand the rule first. The rule of this game is that when two angles subtend at the same arc, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. You're going to understand what this means. Now let me show you what it means. Two angles subtend at the same arc. What does that mean? Just watch. Just look at this. If you look at this triangle now, that goes this way, you see this angle. Look at this. You're going to notice that this angle, the legs are here and here. You see it? That's the arc. Now, this particular angle now, here, the legs are also here and the legs are also here. So, the two angles subtend at the same arc. It doesn't matter where they are coming from. But the two legs, this one, the two legs subtend here and here, the same way with this one. Now, but this one, if you look at it, it stops at the center. This is the center of this triangle, circle. That's where this angle is coming from. Why this one has to touch the circumference? So the rule in geometry says that this one at this that starts from the center is twice the one that touches the circumference. Or the other way around, you can say this one is half of this. That's what it is. So very simple. In that case, it means that if this is double of this or this is half of this, it simply means that for you to get D, this angle marked D, it will be just half of 92. And half of 92, as you know, is 46. So angle D is 46 degrees. That's what you're going to have here. 46 degrees. And that's the simple answer to this question. So whenever you see a question like this, if you don't understand the roots, then you're not going to solve it. It looks simple. Oh, what will you do? A lot of people are going to think of a lot of things. You're going to waste the whole time doing this, but because you don't know what to do. So, but once you understand the rule, you apply these rules, and the answer comes out so quick. So this is exactly how to do this. If you are new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe. We are going to bring more solutions on whatever area, whether jam question, WAEC, past question for those young people writing junior WAEC, writing a common entrance, and every math topic. That's what we do on digital math tutor. Even though we still have a few videos, but we're going to come up with as many as. It's a place for us all to benefit. So teachers, parents, and learners, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that we can grow and be encouraged to do more of this. It's a free resource, place. Then this video makes sense. Don't forget to share in the group where you belong, especially in the math group and parents group. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Let's grow together. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. You can see our channel is digital math tutor. Don't fail to subscribe. Thanks for watching.